guys, I hope all of you are doing well by staying indoors. So now we don't have much to do, everybody is at home and always hungry, including me. So I thought I will address your sweet and dessert cravings today, and I have come up with this super healthy and quick mug cake recipes. So this has been my journey. I have completely avoided refined flour or maida from my diet, and it has been 2.5 years now, and I don't keep maida at home as well. But this craving for desserts or sweet peeps in every now and then. So I thought I'll come up with bakes using other flours like whole wheat flour, oats flour, and even finger millet or ragi flour. So I'm quickly sharing my 2 healthy mug cake recipes which are super easy and quick, and it gets done in just 3 minutes. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the baking mode.
I'll quickly run you through the ingredients. Whole wheat flour, roasted ragi flour, cornstarch, arrowroot starch or potato starch. You can take any of these. Then I have homemade powdered sugar, which is neither too fine nor too coarse. Freshly melted butter, which is still a little warm. Milk at room temperature. Vanilla essence, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, choco chips, and here are our mugs. So let's quickly start our first recipe, which is here. To the mug, let's add all our dry ingredients. First goes in roasted ragi flour, 3 tablespoons. If you don't have ready-made roasted ragi flour, you can roast the ragi flour on the tawa at very low flame or in the oven. Ensure that you follow the same order of adding the ingredients so that it's easier later. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of the starch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, powdered or caster. Here all my measurements are leveled spoons. So when I mean 1 tablespoon, I take a whole 1 spoon and then level it using a knife. Next goes in baking powder, which is 1/4 teaspoon, and baking soda, which is 1/8 teaspoon. Finally, 2 leveled tablespoons of cocoa powder. Remember to use good quality cocoa powder for best results. Now, give all the dry ingredients a very good mix using a fork. This way, the baking powder and the baking soda will be mixed evenly. Let's add our wet ingredients. First goes in 2 tablespoons of melted butter, followed by 4 tablespoons of room temperature milk. 4 tablespoons is 1/4 cup. 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. Again, I'm giving it all a mix using a fork. Remember to always use a fork because this way you will incorporate little bit air, which helps in a spongy texture to your cakes. Also, do this step very slowly and take time scraping down the walls and the bottom of the mug, as most of the time some bits of the dry ingredients remain unmixed. Now finally goes in 1 tablespoon of choco chip right in the center. This goes inside the microwave at the highest temperature for 1.5 minutes. For our second cupcake, we are taking 3.5 tablespoon of whole wheat flour. Here again, I am filling the tablespoon completely and then leveling it with a knife. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of our starch, 2 tablespoon powdered or caster sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, giving it all a mix. After this goes in 1 tablespoon of choco chip, dried nuts of your choice or any fruit chunks of your choice. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoon of milk and 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence, giving it all a good mix with the fork. This goes inside the oven at the maximum temperature for 1.5 minutes. Mug cake has baked now. How do you check if it is done? Just touch the top surface. It should spring back and it has to be soft. 2 healthy and quick mug cakes are ready. Trust me guys, after making this, you will not go back to the refined flour mug cakes. Just look at the crumb. They are so tasty, soft and decadent.
Did you all enjoy the mug cake recipes? This video was completely dedicated to all the healthy dessert freaks out there. Well, if you don't have any of these flours which I mentioned, you can substitute it with refined flour as well. So this was a egg-free recipe. You can make this vegan as well. If you want to know how to make it vegan with a few replacements, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The complete recipe and the links to all my social media handles will be down below in the description box. Do check it out. Before that, do like, share, subscribe and happy eating. Bye.